हमें बुराइयों को समाप्त करने के लिए जान लड़ा देनी चाहिए। We should fight the evils tooth and nail to do away with them. We should fight, SHOULD, should fight FIGHT, the evils मतलब बुराइयाँ, EVILS, evils, tooth and nail, TOOTH, tooth and nail, NAIL, and do away with them. डू अवे विद देम मतलब हटाने के लिए, समाप्त करने के लिए। वी शुड फाइट द ईवल्स टूथ एंड नेल एंड डू अवे विद देम। विज्ञान ने अद्भुत उन्नति की है। साइंस हैज़ मेड अ रिमार्केबल प्रोग्रेस। रिमार्केबल, REMARKABLE, रिमार्केबल प्रोग्रेस, PROGRESS, और साइंस SCIENCE, साइंस। मेरा समय काटे नहीं कटता। टाइम हैंग्स हैवी ऑन मी। टाइम हैंग्स, HANGS, हैंग्स, हैवी HEAVY, ऑन मी। हम हंसे बिना नहीं रह सके। वी कुड नॉट हेल्प लाफिंग। वी कुड नॉट हेल्प लाफिंग, LAUGHING, लाफ के बाद इंग लगा देना। लोगों ने हमें वोट देना आरंभ कर दिया है। People have started voting for us. People have started voting for us. कर अधिकारियों ने हमारी नाक में दम कर रखा है। The tax officers have got on our nerves. Got on our nerves, NERVES, GOT, got on. Our OUR, nerves, NERVES. वह मुझे एक आँख नहीं भाता। He is an eyesore to me. He is an eyesore to me, EYEISORE, sore to me. उसने चोरी की तथा सारे परिवार की नाक कटा दी। He committed a theft and brought disgrace to the whole family. Brought disgrace, DISGRACE, disgrace. Brought, BROUGHT, brought. Committed, COMMITTED, a theft, THEFT. He committed a theft and brought disgrace to the whole family, WHOLE, whole family. वह अपना उल्लू सीधा करने में निपुण है। He is an expert in serving his own needs. He is an expert in serving, SERVING, serving his own, 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 own needs, NEEDS, own needs. उसकी माँ को कम दिखाई देता है। His mother is short of sight. His mother is short of sight, SHORT, short of SIGHT. दुखद समाचार सुनकर वह फूट फूट कर रोने लगी। She began to weep bitterly on hearing the sad news. She began, BEGAN, began to weep, 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 bitterly, BITTERLY, on hearing the sad news. She began to weep bitterly on hearing the sad news. लापरवाही के कारण वह आपत्ति में फंस गया। Due to carelessness, he landed himself in trouble. Due to carelessness, he landed himself in trouble. Carelessness, care, CARE, less, LESS, ness, NESS. He landed, LANDED, himself in trouble, in trouble, TROUBLE. दया धर्म का मूल है, पाप मूल अभिमान. Mercy is the root of virtue, pride is the root of sin. दया, mercy, मूल, रूट, धर्म, virtue, और पाप हो गया sin, और अभिमान हो गया pride. So mercy is the root of virtue, pride is the root of sin. बस ठसाठस भरी हुई थी. The bus was packed to its capacity. The bus was packed to capacity, its capacity. CAPACITY, capacity. Packed, PACKED, packed. मैं किसी अच्छी नौकरी की तलाश में हूँ. I am on the lookout for a good job. I'm on the lookout for a good job. Look, L-O-O-K, look, O-U-T, out. I'm on the lookout for a good job. आमों को देखकर मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया. My mouth began to water at the sight of mangoes. My mouth began to water at the sight of mangoes. वह उसने अपना मकान गिरवी रख दिया है. He has pawned his house. Pawned, P-A-W-N-E-D, pawned, गिरवी रखना. यह स्वाभाविक है कि पुत्र बूढ़े माता पिता की सेवा करे. It is but natural that the son should serve his old parents. It is but natural that the son should serve his old parents. It is but natural, एक साथ बोलना है. Natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L. It is but natural that the son should serve, S-E-R-V-E, serve his old parents. चिंता बुरी बला है. Curiosity kills the cat. Curiosity kills the cat. C-U-R, curiosity. Curiosity kills the cat. Curiosity kills the cat. C-U-R-I-O-S-I-T-Y. Curiosity kills the cat. मेरी मेहनत रंग लाई. My efforts bore fruit. My efforts bore fruit. B-O-R-E, bore fruits. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. ज़रा BBC तो लगाओ. Just tune into BBC. Just tune into BBC. मेरी घड़ी शायद 10 मिनट आगे है. Perhaps my watch is fast by 10 minutes. Perhaps my watch is fast by 10 minutes. तुम किस मुँह से यह बात कह सकते हो? How dare you say this? How dare, D-A-R-E, how dare you say this? Question mark. तुम्हारी घड़ी में क्या समय है? What is the time by your watch? Question mark. What is the time by your watch? Question mark. खतरे की स्थिति में जंजीर खींच दो. Pull chain in case of danger. Pull chain in case of danger. मेरी घड़ी रोज़ 5 मिनट पीछे रह जाती है. My watch loses 5 minutes daily. L-O-S-E-S, loses 5 minutes daily. My watch loses 5 minutes daily. अगली डाक कब आएगी? When is the next clearance due? When is the next clearance due? C-L-E-A-R-A-N-C-E, clearance due, D-U-E. यह फटा हुआ नोट है. It is a torn note, T-O-R-N, torn. यह खोटा सिक्का है. It is a base coin. खोटे को base coin बोलते हैं. यह तो अफवाह है. It is a rumor, R-U-M-O-U-R, rumor. अदरक खूब भूख बढ़ाती है. Ginger is a good appetizer, G-I-N-G-E-R, good appetizer, A-P-P-E-T-I-S-E-R, A-P-P-E-T-I-S-E-R. जिंजर इज़ अ गुड एपिटाइज़र. वह गुस्से से आग बबूला हो गया. हो गया. He was besides himself with rage. He was besides himself with rage. बिजली जला दो. Switch on the light. बिजली बुझा दो. Switch off the light. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow out the candle. Blow out the candle. वह चारों खाने चित गिरा. He fell flat. He fell flat. वह सिर के बल गिरी. He fell headlong. He fell headlong. वापसी डाक उत्तर है. Reply post haste. Reply post haste, H-A-S-T-E. क्या यहाँ मलेरिया का प्रकोप है? Is malaria raging here? R-A-G-I-N-G, raging here. यह जूता मुझे काटता है. This shoe pinches me. This shoe pinches, P-I-N-C-H-E-S, pinches me. यह गाय अब दूध नहीं देती. This cow is now not in milk. This cow is now not in milk. आज नगद कल उधार. Terms cash or no credit. Terms TERMS. Terms cash or no credit. दीवार घड़ी को चला दो. Set the clock going. Set the clock going.